Hi, this is Levi with Loader Parts Source. Sometimes when you're rebuilding an axle assembly, you'll find the seal area damaged enough that the new seal won't hold up. There's a repair option called a Speedi-Sleeve that repairs that area. Depending on which axle you're putting it on, it'll have a press fit or not. I'm not too worried if it's a slip fit because I always put Loctite on here to kind of seal those holes. I've already got Loctite in the inside here, and we're going to put it down on here. So the comes with an installation cap, but it's made for shorter shafts, so it doesn't work here. I've built my own tool. You go to an exhaust shop and get a piece of muffler pipe if you need a fast, easy tool. And there it is. Now we're going to have to remove this installation flange before we press it down the rest of the way, because the bearing would interfere with it. I'm going to do that by nicking it with a die grinder. You can also use a wire snippers, whatever you can do to cut through that heavy part. Then you grab it and peel it off and press it down the rest of the way, or it'll go down the rest of the way when you're installing your bearing, and you've got a new seal area on your axle.